Hello to everyone in the West LA computer expert community. Our topic for today is of high importance to all small business owners: how to find budget-friendly tech solutions that will help you thrive, not dive. Technology forms the pathway to success for any business in today's digital world. But small business owners often feel sandwiched between the need to stay tech relevant and the constraints of their budget. The idea is not just to save money, but also to ensure optimal value for each dollar you put in. Let's highlight 3 areas where you should concentrate. First, we've got hardware. There's no need to splurge on brand new high-end models when refurbished or mid-range devices will do the trick with equal efficiency. Next is software. Your operations can be streamlined without draining your pockets. There's a whole world of cost-effective software tools, including open-source alternatives and cloud-based services. Thirdly, we have services, tools that can assist in managing services efficiently. Sometimes, it is smarter on the budget to outsource IT services rather than hiring new personnel. Now, let me present some examples. In the hardware domain, brands like Dell and HP have top-notch refurbished items. When it comes to software, Google Workspace and open-source substitutes to pricey software are quite handy. And remember, cloud storage solutions like Dropbox and Google Drive are affordable, scalable, and definitely worth considering. Ready to implement these solutions? Start by incorporating them at a small scale, observe the results, and then expand if they are beneficial. Keep an eye on the return these technologies bring to your business and adapt as necessary. Lastly, remember, expensive doesn't always mean effective in technology. By adopting the right strategies, you can provide your business with the tools it needs without overstepping your budget. Thanks for dropping by West LA Computer Expert. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips in our future episodes. Until then, goodbye.